So, you want to take advantage of this new AI gold rush. You're seeing all these AI tools popping up everywhere and you are getting stressed because you don't want to get left behind. The only problem is you don't know how to code and you don't have the money or expertise to actually build your own AI SaaS business. Well, there is actually a simple solution to this, and you don't need to know how to code, you don't need a lot of money, and you don't even need a partner or investor. Now, the best part about technology today is that everyone can reap the benefits because it's so simple to use. So, today I will show you 7 AI tools that you can actually customize and rebrand as your own and sell it as your own to as many people as you want. And the best part is that you will actually keep all the profits. So, it's called White Label SaaS and it allows you to sell the software as your own at a price that you decide. But quickly, before we get started, make sure to join our free AI community where you can learn how to use AI to your advantage. It will be the first link in the description. Plus, direct links to all of the tools that I will mention in this video will be there as well. Now, let's get into it.
First up is Stammer. This platform is built with agencies in mind, making it simple for teams to deliver tailored AI solutions without the heavy tech lift. Stammer's AI agents can chat with customers, answer questions, schedule appointments, and even follow up on leads, all without needing you to dig into code. You can fully customize it to match your brand with your logo, colors, and domain, giving clients a seamless experience that feels like it's built just for them. Whether your agency focuses on sales, customer service, or lead generation, Stammer provides all the AI tools you need to build meaningful, AI-driven interactions. You can find a link to Stammer's free trial in the description below. No credit card required. Next on our list is Go High Level. If your agency handles digital marketing, Go High Level is like an AI-driven marketing powerhouse. This platform bundles sales and marketing automation together, offering tools for landing pages, appointment bookings, lead nurturing, and more, all under one roof. It's ideal for agencies that want to boost productivity by automating repetitive tasks. A standout feature is Conversation AI, a virtual assistant that engages with customers on social media and SMS to answer questions, qualify leads, and even book appointments. Agencies can completely brand Go High Level as their own software, making it a customizable tool for long-term growth. The best part? It includes unlimited sub-accounts, users, and contacts so you can scale without worrying about extra costs. If Go High Level sounds like a fit, there's an extended 14-day trial for our audience linked below. For agencies focusing on ad creation, Ad Creative is a fantastic tool. It speeds up the design process by generating ad creatives in bulk, which is a huge time saver. Within minutes, you can produce hundreds of high ROI ad variations for different platforms. You get to brand it with your logo and domain, making it look like your own creative powerhouse. Ad Creative not only designs ads, but also provides high conversion copy options. This makes your team look like expert copywriters, even if they're just starting out. Plus, the tool analyzes ad performance, offering insights into which designs perform best, so you can keep clients happy with data-driven results. There's a range of plans to fit different needs, from startups to larger agencies, making it accessible for agencies of all sizes. Vendasta is our go-to tool for agencies working with local businesses. It offers CRM and sales automation, marketing solutions, and even project management, all in one platform. Vendasta's AI helps you deliver targeted marketing strategies and offers valuable analytics to help clients grow. The white label option allows agencies to fully brand the platform, giving local businesses an experience that feels uniquely tailored. It's cost-effective too, so instead of building a complex AI solution from scratch, you can rebrand Vendasta's services and focus on your client relationships. Plus, it's built to scale with your agency as you grow. Software has introduced an AI app generator for creating custom business apps tailored to your brand's specific needs. Whether you're looking to build client portals, CRMs, or inventory management systems, Software's generator has you covered from app design to data integrations. It's a no-code platform, so creating a polished app that reflects your brand identity is super simple. With features like role-based access and integration with tools like Google Sheets, Software is a great choice for teams wanting to get an app up and running without the high development costs. Last but not least is SE Ranking, a top choice for agencies focusing on SEO. It's packed with essential tools like keyword research, rank tracking, and backlink analysis. But the real game changer? SE Ranking's AI-powered content creation module. It lets you create optimized content quickly, based on data from top performing competitor sites, which saves tons of time. SE Ranking also offers full white labeling, so you can provide branded SEO reports and analysis to clients. This helps you showcase your agency's expertise while delivering the SEO results your clients need.
That's it. You'll find a link to all the tools so you can try them yourself in the description. And also, if you want to learn how to leverage AI, make sure to join the free AI community. First link in the description as well. And make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos so you can learn more about how you can leverage AI and benefit from this gold rush. I'll see you in the next one.